Have you ever felt nervous or stuck when someone challenged your opinion in English? Maybe you knew what you wanted to say, but the words didn't come out clearly? Or worse, you stayed quiet because you were scared of making a mistake? You are not alone, but today, we're going to change that. Welcome to Easy English Daily, where you learn to speak English confidently every single day. In this video, I'll guide you through how to debate in English, how to express your opinion clearly, and how to politely disagree, with confidence and clarity. By the end, you'll be able to speak your mind in English without hesitation. Let's get started. Imagine this. You are in a group discussion about social media. Someone says, social media is a complete waste of time. You disagree, but your mind goes blank. You want to say, no, I think it depends on how people use it. But instead, you just smile, awkwardly. That's the moment many learners face. But now, let's break through that fear. Let's learn the phrases and confidence to speak your truth. Section 1, Starting your opinion. Let's begin with some powerful ways to start your opinion. Repeat after me. I believe that. In my opinion. I personally think, from my point of view, as far as I'm concerned. Let's see example. I personally think social media is helpful when used wisely. Section 2, Agreeing politely. Now, let's learn how to agree in a respectful way. Repeat after me. I completely agree with you. That's a great point. You are absolutely right. I couldn't agree more. Exactly. That's what I was thinking too. Example, you are absolutely right. Education should be accessible to all. Section 3, Disagreeing respectfully. Now let's tackle disagreement without sounding rude. Repeat after me. I see your point, but I think. I'm not sure I agree with that. That's an interesting view, but I respect your opinion. However, I have a different perspective. Example, I respect your opinion, but I believe online learning can be effective. Section 4, Giving reasons. In a debate, reasons make your argument strong. Use these phrases, repeat after me. The reason I say this is because. One major reason is. This is important because. I feel this way due to. Studies show that. Example, one major reason I support renewable energy is that it reduces pollution. Section 5, Giving examples. Examples make your opinion more powerful. Repeat after me. For example, let me give you an example. Take the case of, such as, like in the case of. Example, for example, in Sweden, most people use clean energy sources. Section 6, ending your point strongly. Let's now learn how to end your opinion strongly. Repeat after me. That's why I feel this way. That's my honest opinion. So, to sum up, that's my point of view. That's what I truly believe. Example, so, to sum up, I think education should be free for everyone. Every time you express your opinion in English, you get stronger. Every sentence is a step forward. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of the journey. Comment below and tell me, what's a topic you feel strongly about? Let's practice together. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for daily English speaking lessons. Share it with a friend who wants to speak English confidently too. In the next video, we'll learn how to handle daily life arguments in English, at home, at work, or even with friends, and keep it calm and respectful. See you tomorrow in the next lesson of Easy English Daily.